Guys, got an update for you. One is this wheel I'm repairing, and then the other one is I got my torch, set it up on my machine. So much better than where's my old torch? Right here. This is that. Let's see if I can even find the head of it. There it is. This is my old torch, 20 flex head from Welding, 25-foot leads. I don't really need 25 feet. It just got in the way. So that's just my backup torch now. I got this CK Worldwide. It's a flex, and it's the FX 230. So good for, I believe, 250 amps or 300 amps. I forget which one I ordered. But so much better, so much smaller. I got these fittings here too, these quick disconnects for that, for the gas, the water in, and then the water out. And I only got a 12-foot lead. That's what's usually my go-to. I don't need anything more than 12 feet. It just gets in the way, I find. The machine is a 210 EXT. I addressed this in the previous video. I still have my HTP, but it's in Philadelphia. And when I set up shop here again, I'm bringing all my tools and equipment down. But here's this wheel someone brought to me. It had a pretty big crack in it, and the crack split. So I just stop drilled both cracks on 2 spots. V'd it out, and ready to weld. Cleaned it up. And what I do is I take a flat disc and clean up just the edge of the wheel, so I have a good ground contact. So I'm gonna do that, and then show you guys, you know, how it looks and how I clean them up. But on the inside, I leave the weld proud, just because you don't really see that, and it's for extra strength. And then where the bead sits, I just, you know, I profile it and clean it up, so the actual tire bead seals, and it'll be just like this profile, just cleaned up. So let me get on that. Basically what I'm doing now is I cleaned it with acetone one more final time, preheating the torch just to get the chill out of this. And since I only have 110 at the house, I can only use 125 amps. This is that'll help me, you know, with heat a little bit. What I'm using to fill is 40-43. I used to use 53-56 on wheels, but I would get the occasional hot crack because of the 5% magnesium in 53-56. It would I'd crack one side, and then when I would tack the other, the first tack would crack, and then both would crack when they would cool down. And that's known as hot cracking or short cracking. So I'm using 40-43 because it has 5% silicone added, and it's a little less prone to hot cracking. So that's what I'm doing. I'll put you guys on the time lapse, and then we'll weld this out. So the inside, I got it all blended. Put a lot of filler in there because I'm gonna have to sand that off. But the inside, where is it? Right there. I'm gonna leave it just like that. So I just piled in a whole bunch of beads. Yep, that's it. I'm just gonna sand it now and call it a day.